a surprise! Hey, here's an idea. Why don't we go on a nice walk? No, that's not how I should ask her out. How about a stroll? Yeah, that's better. Come on, Biff. You can do this.
Biff? Are you all right?
Lassie, what a surprise!
Why is it a surprise? I live here.
Oh, right. Well, that's embarrassing. Of course it's not a surprise. Well, gee, I was wondering if...
Come on!
Sorry, gotta go.
Right, well, never mind. Bye.
See you later, Biff.
She'll see me later? Later?